Hi, I'm Wayne, and this is Bassador Woodworking. I have a whole bunch of wooden spools we're going to turn into outdoor planters. And Marvin's here. Alright.
I don't know how to be on camera.
No, that's good. That worked out perfectly. My neighbor gave me a whole bunch of these wooden spools that he got from work. They used to have electrical cable wrapped around them. And they were stored outside in his backyard for multiple years, so I don't want to do anything indoor with these because it's just the wood is starting to rot and stuff, but I think I can get a few seasons of garden planters out of these. So Marvin and I are going to flatten a side of the top and bottom of each of these and then remove a few middle panels to create a garden bed. Now, we also need to decide where we want the cutoff to happen. I'm thinking if we just cut one of these panels, that's kind of the perfect level. There are a bunch of staples and stuff in here, so luckily in my small circular saw, I have like an old beat up blade that it won't be a huge deal if we hit a couple of staples and stuff like that. So we'll try that first. But I think flattening these sides off is definitely the first step in this.
Oh, for sure, because this one's rocking.
Right, and then once we have it, we can put it on the right side and go from there. Fine. Yeah, I mean, people shit on Ryobi, but I just had really no problem with that.
I mean, I definitely got hit with a fleck, but you know, we're good.
But good. You know, you're made for it.
Okay, so why shouldn't we use clamps?
Because the depth of the saw isn't enough that if I clamped this on, the saw wouldn't make contact with the board.
Gotcha.
So I just have to, I mean, this doesn't have to be perfect because this is going to be sitting on dirt. We can build up the dirt however we need to make it work, but yeah, didn't like that.
So that's probably a nail.
Oh yeah, probably. This is the last thing this blade will ever do. So. Okay, and let's see how close to square we got. Yeah, not really close at all, but it's gonna be outdoors, it doesn't matter. For the time being, we'll put a little wedge underneath it so we have something solid to work on. What are you thinking, these two, probably?
Yeah, most likely.
Because I kind of want to leave the ones with the hole, because that gives it like drainage.
Yeah.
Which is, yeah. I'm thinking.
Yeah, these two. These two. Make no sense.
Okay, and then in terms of best saw to use for that, I guess might as well just try to continue with this.
Don't try this at home, folks.
Well, or do this is kind of the DIY thing, isn't it? Isn't that the kind of point of the channel? You're purposely advocating against the entire purpose of the channel. Don't try this at home, or do, because that's the point.
I retract my statement. Please try this at home safely.
Yeah, there you go. Ooh, that was lucky. There's a metal bar right here.
Ooh.
That would have been bad. Okay.
No critters.
None. Pull that up. Alright. I could have just cut it in the middle. I don't have to do all that. Alright. So, I mean, essentially, this is...
Do we want to get rid of this one too? Potentially? Just so that it's even.
Yeah, why don't we? Watch out.
That's fair.
Could just use the saw, but this is easier. Hell.
I think it's hitting against the metal piece there.
It's the right way to do things, then there's the way that I'm doing it.
Cool. That's more even, and then...
Fine woodworking. Just pull.
Yeah,
Alright. So now...
Alright.
We could leave it here, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, probably clean out the inside a little bit.
If we're gonna fill it with dirt.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you're right.
Some of my builds are really complex and difficult it is. Some of them you hit a spool with a wooden hammer, like a mallet a bunch of times until it breaks, and it's like, alright, this is done.
Yeah, it's good.
It's something solid that time. It like pushed it right back. That's why you never put your hands down here, by the way. This one looks just as off kilter as the other one. Turns out we're not good at this part. I feel like that's very off kilter.
I mean, actually, it's a little bit better than the first one.
Yeah, I guess. That's so much easier. Just cut in the center. There's that master's degree at work. And then there's a metal bar right there. Maybe if we don't take that one out, this will still work fine. You know? As long as it's facing towards the sun.
Yeah.
Nah, we should take it out.
Yeah, we should take it out. Yeah, for sure. That's
Alright. Hold on. Let's take the metal bar out first. Fire sparks right at my leg.
Yeah, you know.
Clean. Let's take the old wire out of here. Let's see. This had 1 AWG wire. All right. Some thick boy stuff. All right. This one now goes out into the yard. Then we can film the outro. I really thought this was gonna be a more involved video, not just like, oh, let's make 3 cuts and then move these into the backyard. Well, we made our 3 cuts, let's move these in the backyard. Okay, remember, lock your knees and jerk with your back. There you go. Jump for the stool. Stuff in here didn't build itself, Marvin.
Fuck that stool.
Worked hard on that stool. That's another failed video. Spent like 3 days making a stool and then like got frustrated and slammed it on the ground and then I ended up just gluing the pieces back together. All right, and that's it. We made 2 planters or 2 really uncomfortable chairs, whichever way you want to use them. They're painfully uncomfortable chairs. So we'll probably use them as planters. But I think that's pretty much it. This was a really, really quick project. I thought it was going to be more involved than it was. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. And until next time, thank you. I don't know. It's important that you be in the shot. All right, bye everybody.